enjoy wireless music. These car Bluetooth adapter can be connected to non-Bluetooth car audio systems, home stereos, speakers, wired headphones via a 3.5mm AUX adapter, and equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 chip for stable connection. Fast transmission. Signal range wide. Simply pair it with your phone and start listening to your favorite music. Smart noise reduction technology. Or Bluetooth audio receiver adopts the latest CVC 8.0 noise cancelling technology and digital signal processor, which can eliminate echo and block out annoying background noise such as wind, traffic, or crowd, providing you with crystal clear call sounds. 16 hours battery life. Bluetooth AUX adapter working time is up to 16 hours when making calls or playing music. It takes only 2.5 hours to fully charge the device using a Type-C fast charging cable included in the package. In addition, this Bluetooth music adapter can be used while charging, which is very convenient. Hands-free calling, built-in microphone, and MFP button to answer. Redial, disable, or reject calls to help you make hands-free calls. The Bluetooth audio adapter supports audio notifications from the existing navigation app. You don't have to look at the phone down on the go. Make sure to drive safely. Dual connection portable Bluetooth stereo adapter can be paired with 2 devices at the same time. You can enjoy your music and never worry about missing any calls. Once paired, the car receiver will automatically reconnect to other Bluetooth devices it's paired with, as long as they are within wireless range.